I love to think how comforting it was, how comforting the movie for me. I cried so much. I DM'd my friend who also watched the movie and finished the series and finished the series. I DM'd her crying because I just watched, and when I go to TikTok to watch some edits clips of Alvin and E, I look into comments and they said in the book Matthew died. It's very sad because I really love how Anne and Matthew, I love how their relationship, how Matthew is very understanding to Anne. It is very open to Anne. I wish I have someone like Matthew to talk to. And I love how he was willing to give all of him just to make Anne happy, just to make Anne happy of what she's doing. I didn't, I didn't imagine Matthew would die. And I don't know, I'm very attached to the movie. It's like my own story. Like I treat it like my own story, very personal own story, and it is comforting for me. I wish I could watch it again. I wish I could erase the memories in my head while watching the movie. I wish I could just watch it again, again and again. I really love the movie, guys. I love the series. I love everything. And I can't imagine. Like, I'm very lucky. I watched the whole episode, the whole season, the 3 seasons. And please, Netflix, give us a season 4. Give us the story of their college life. Please, I would cry so much. And also, today I met up with my friend. I met some of my friends, especially the friend who is I didn't see for a while. You know what? When I see her, si Charbel, when I see her, I jumped out of bed and hugged her because I'm very happy I see her. am happy na out of our conversation, I realized that she's still the same charmer that I known for the past over how many years. She's still the same, and she hasn't changed. I love how she laughs at us. I love how I love how she still see us as the friend she had since elementary. I'm very happy for that because all this time I thought we lost her. I because she has new friends, new life. Ever since we parted ways since junior high, and I thought like she changed, but she didn't. And I'm very happy. She didn't change as our friend couldn't. And we talk about college. And I'm very sad na we're all grown up in during college. Last year, we're just elementary students. We're just, last time, we're just killing time with jokes. Eh, that's it. We gotta accept that because that's how life is. It is constantly changing, and you cannot do something about that. It will change. And today, I got to talk with my parents, with my mother, about college. We got kind of about college scholarship and my plans. And I don't get how there are many people who is against. I know against. It's like they would just said, "Where are you from? Where you gonna take college?" And I would say, "John Paul." And then they were like, "Oh, kalayo bata." Like, bro, wanna grow. I wanna grow. So I wanna learn. I wanna grow. Davao is white. The world is white. I can just stuck here. I can I can I can do that. I wanted to be more, explore more, just like Anne. How widen his mindset is, and I want to be like that. I wanted to explore, learn, to be free, and I hope people who say that to me will understand because I can't just be stuck here. And today, one of the reasons also is that I'm happy today. Crying happy because my friend Kika finally lent me her book. This book, and it's a good one. They said there's so many reviews saying it's a good one and all. I hope that would make me cry too. And I guess that's it for my video rant. I don't think it will get posted, but look at my face. I'm so sad, right? I will be sad. I will be sad. Well, I'm so sad. I love the movie. I love the series. I love what happened today. I love everything. I love life. I love world. I love book. I love movies. I love everything, guys. I suggest we shouldn't be stuck and instead explore. Yuck. That's it. See you again. I'm happy that I did release my feeling inside me. What I am thinking, like, what are my thoughts? What are my emotions right now? Because it's overflowing, it's overwhelming. Uy, madamok. And I'm happy that I'm able to release it through this video. Bye.